In the dawn of human civilization, art began its journey as primitive cave paintings, a rudimentary communication tool and a reflection of the society of the time. As centuries rolled on, art evolved, mirroring the cultural, political, and social realities of each era. From the grandeur of Renaissance masterpieces to the bold strokes of modern abstract art, every piece tells a story of its time, capturing the essence of the human experience. But art is not merely a passive reflection of society. It challenges the status quo. It questions, provokes, and disrupts. It's a catalyst for social change. Artists, through their creations, have dared to challenge societal norms, sparking dialogues and inspiring action. Art has been at the forefront of revolutions, a silent yet powerful voice against oppression and injustice. Art also bridges the gaps between cultures. It speaks a universal language that transcends borders and barriers. It fosters understanding and empathy, uniting people through shared human experiences. It's a common thread that weaves through the tapestry of human history, connecting us all. Moreover, art serves as an emotional outlet, a sanctuary for the soul. It offers solace and therapeutic benefits, helping individuals navigate through the complexities of life. It's a conduit for emotions, a canvas for the expression of the human spirit. In conclusion, the role of art in society is multifaceted and profound. It reflects and influences culture, challenges societal norms, and sparks social change. It bridges cultural divides and provides emotional refuge. Throughout history, art has shaped and been shaped by society, leaving an indelible impact on individuals, communities, and economies. As we bid you farewell, let's carry forward the question that ignited our journey together. Art and society, in their intricate interplay, weave a tapestry of boundless creativity and profound reflection. Just as art mirrors society, so does society echo through art, intertwining in an ever-evolving dance of inspiration and innovation. Join us in this captivating dance by engaging with our community. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue to explore the endless realms of art education and inspiration, together shaping a world where creativity knows no bounds.